Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth cutting in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, clear Bluetooth app data. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, click on three lines, turn on show system app button, click on OK, search Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear data. And if you want to clear data, then click on clear data. After click on clear data, Bluetooth data will be clear from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again, open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix Bluetooth cutting in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.